السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. Dear and respective audience, today also I am going to explain about the camel, which Allah exalted has said in the glorious Quran, Surah Ghashiyah, أَفَلَا يَنْظُرُونَ إِلَى الْإِبِلِ كَيْفَ خُلِقَتْ. Do they not look to the camel, how it was created? So nicely I have explained about its eyes miracle and tail. Today I am going to explain about its limbs. It is long, it helps its agility and rapidity. Its feet are reinforced with broad, callous, elastical pad that spread when camel walks on the sand. These enable the camel to walking over softest kinds of sands that difficult to move for other animals. It is why it was called ship of desert. It is walking in the desert from 50 to 60 kilometers a day by carrying heavy loads. Now, I am going to explain about its necks. What its necks? It is not like other animals' necks. You are always looking the camel. Its neck is so long. So it reaches, its head and mouth reach the plants down on the floor and leaves high on trees. Means if something is down, it reach, and if it is up, the leaves in the up on the tree, there also its neck is reached. Its pad are one of the miracle creator Allah created for this amazing animal. Then its stomach. What its stomach? Its digestive system is strong. The camel can digest like rubber substance. Means its stomach can digest like rubber substance, means that much hard. Its digestive system can digest. It can digest many hard things. Other animals cannot digest such substance. And about its body is covered with thick hair which expels heat. Means it is protecting the heat because of it is always walking on the desert. Desert always immensely heat. It is why it can expel the heat. Allah had arranged such facilities for the camels. Camel only sweats when its body temperature is over 41 degrees Celsius. It happens certain times during day. The camel produces water which contributes in enduring hunger and thirst. It is produces water by the fat which it was stored in the hump of the camel. Everyone is seeing the humps on the camel. It is storing the fat in this hump, and by this fat it is producing the water through a chemical process a man cannot transcend. And if I try to explain its milk, it is also miracle. In short, if we try to explain about the camel, it will be long. Allah has said in the glorious Quran, Surah Ghashiyah, verses number 17, أَفَلَا يَنْظُرُونَ إِلَى الْإِبِلِ كَيْفَ خُلِقَتْ. You are not pondering, you are not thinking about the camel, how it was created. It means you have to ponder, you have to think, you have to study, you have to research it. It is miracle. We are always listening. The Imams are reciting these verses of the glorious Quran in every Jummah prayer. But sometimes we are not thinking. Allah is saying to think. You have to analyze about its sciences. If you study and research like that, you will get endless things in the glorious Quran. There is in the glorious Quran, there is behind of the many and many words a scientific ocean, deepest ocean. Allah has said, the last classes I have said, almost 700 places Allah is saying, think, think, think. It is miracle. It is Allah's sign. It means you have to think. You have to research. You have to study. Always you have to study. وآخر دعوانا أن الحمد لله رب العالمين. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.